What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go with Bitcoin currently sitting at 35.1, up 0.65 on the day. See market cap 684, baby. 24-hour volume 13.43 billion. So I think I changed the count a little bit here. Potentially, I think we're still going through the micro 4 instead of completing the larger wave 3. And just looking at the alts pullback zone. So if we do continue to see a little bit of pullback, of course, anything can happen. I think it's likely we bounce in between 33.7 and 32.3 in a micro 4 before pushing up in a wave 5 to complete the larger wave 3. So if we zoom out, let me zoom out to the daily time frame. I try to ignore all the fluff in here. But what I'm looking at, our largest wave count from the low is a 1, 2, and then you're looking to push up in the wave 3. So within that wave are 5 waves, right? So you have 1, 2, you're looking to push up in the 3, 4, 5. So within the red count, we have the white count. I know it's a little bit confusing. Wave 1, wave 2, and we complete that 5-wave move in a wave 3. We pull back into 4 and a 5 to complete that larger red 3. So I do think upside continuation in the long term is definitely the high probability. The bottom is in. I'm not worried about that at all. I don't see any signs of a new bear market low, and we have numerous signs that the bottom is in, including the weekly bullish cross. So what I'm looking for in the short term is a micro 4. If we just push up from here, then we just push up. But look at the bearish divergence on the 4-hour, extreme bearish divergence, money's flowing out. So I would expect a little bit of pullback, but of course anything can happen. So the daily chart, as you can see, bullish consolidation, allowing the EMAs to catch up to the candles. We have broken out of this wedge. We're currently retesting it, so of course we can just continue to the upside. If that were to be the case, what you can do is take a measurement of your flag and take it to the point of breakout. And that would take you right up. Why am I having so much glitchy lag? To our next major level of resistance in between 38K and 41K that we've been covering on the channel. If we look at the weekly chart, I mean, we're overextended. It looks great. We've had the bullish cross, but we're overextended. So the harder we pump, the steeper the correction, right? But everything looks really, really good in my opinion. It looks really healthy for continuation. We're just consolidating, which is exactly what we want to see. DXY, I still think we're going through the wave 4. I could be wrong. But as you can see here, we have the wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback, push up in the wave 3. So I took a fib retracement from the bottom of the wave 2 up to the top of the wave 3, and you can see right now we're just above the 38.2. So I do think there's a good chance, which is a normal pullback for a wave 4, that we bounce off the 38.2 and we see continuation up. So when the DXY is going up, Bitcoin is coming down, which would allow Bitcoin to put in that correction and then see continuation. But I could be wrong. If the DXY puts in a deeper correction, this wave A is already complete and we're pulling back in the wave B, then Bitcoin's going to take off. So we'll have to see. If we start to break down from the 38.2, that could be a signal, but we can retrace all the way up to the 50%. But that would be a deep wave 4. But if we do see that bounce, which I think is the higher probability, then you'll see that pullback for Bitcoin into our wave 4 pullback zone. We'll have to see how everything plays out. We're crushing it on Solana. We're crushing it on Gala Games. We're crushing it on Ethereum. All trades were given in the Discord for $10 a month. Make sure to sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN. For my US Canadian traders all around the world, but my US Canadian traders are getting shafted, sign up to BITUNIX. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus when they deposit into their futures account. So if you deposit $1,000, that's $200 completely free to trade with. $100, $20 completely free to trade with. My subscribers only. My signals are $10 a month. Not only signals, but you get daily crypto analysis for many coins. My exact trade setups, crypto news, member profits, how to all plays. As you can see, the members are absolutely crushing it with my analysis as well as their own trades. And Forex signals, Forex analysis. We're trading crypto. We're trading Forex, all for $10 a month, which you spend every single day on bullshit. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.